Today, we're spotlighting the 2024 Bmwxm, a groundbreaking SUV that redefines luxury and performance. Exterior: the XM's exterior is as bold and distinctive as its performance. Its imposing grille, sleek lines, and muscular stance make it clear that this is no ordinary SUV. The XM is available in two exterior packages, Shadowline and Night Gold. The Shadowline package features a blacked-out grille, window trim, and rear diffuser for a stealthy look. The Night Gold package adds a touch of luxury with gold accents around the grille, window line, and rear diffuser. Interior: the XM's interior is just as luxurious as its exterior. The cabin is spacious and appointed with high-quality materials, including leather, wood, and aluminum. The XM's seats are incredibly comfortable and supportive, and they offer plenty of legroom and headroom for all passengers. The XM's infotainment system is easy to use and features a large touchscreen display. It also comes with a variety of advanced features, such as a head-up display and a digital instrument cluster. Performance: the XM is powered by a plug-in hybrid powertrain that produces a combined 644 horsepower. The XM can travel up to 25 miles on electric power alone, and it has a top speed of 155 miles per hour. The XM's suspension is tuned for both comfort and performance, and it handles like a dream. The XM is also equipped with a variety of advanced driver assistance features, such as lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. The 2024 Bmwxm is a true game-changer. It redefines luxury and performance, and it's sure to turn heads wherever it goes. If you're looking for an SUV that's as exciting to drive as it is to look at, the XM is the perfect choice for you. Thanks for watching.